So, ever wondered how you can quickly create labels with colors, font styling, and even embedded images in Godot 4? Well, to do this, an easy solution is to rely on the RichTextLabel node. Because if you turn on its BBCodes enabled option, then you can use special tags in your text string to dynamically style the content character per character. And obviously, you can also set it from your code if you want to build this string at runtime. Here's a list of some common BBCodes, and of course you can find the full one in the Godot documentation. And that's it! The RichTextLabel allows you to simply style your UI text with per character effects. And by the way, did you know that in Godot you can use your 2D or UI elements inside 3D scenes too? If you want to learn how to do that, check out this other quick tutorial. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, feel free to hit the like button and subscribe to discover more. As always, thanks a lot for watching, and take care!